Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be guiding you how to order and choose shipping on AliExpress. All you have to do is open your web browser and search for aliexpress.com and make sure to log in your account. Since I have mine already logged in, now in the homepage of AliExpress you can browse different items you want here. You can also search for this specific product. For example, the mini fan portable. In here, all you have to do is to add this into your cart and select the variation you want and then tap add to cart. Now, click checkout and make sure to set your shipping address and your payment method. You can choose Alipay Plus or add your credit or debit card. Now, at the bottom, you can click this arrow to select shipping options. So you can select whatever shipping courier you want. Like for example, this FedEx IE. Let's select this one and set. And all you have to do is click place order and your items will be shipped. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.